Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Oceanic Viper2 full foot fin. So these are a pair of snorkeling fins. I suppose you could wear them while scuba diving. Nothing overly strenuous, but yeah, you could get away with them, and in warmer waters as well. This is an improved version. They've helped to improve the efficiency over the previous version of the Viper fin. But yeah, this is the full foot version. There's also an open heel version, but yeah, let's take a closer look. So this is how they arrive in a very sort of classic plastic bag. Not that much information on the outside, you just got the barcodes and that's about it. Little handle at the top so you can carry them about. And then on the inside, you get a pair of fins. You also get the little foot pocket retainers. Keep hold of these. These are always quite handy just to maintain the shape of the foot pocket, because when they're in storage and when they're being transported, you don't really want that being crushed down, and that's what they help to prevent, and it helps the heel from being sort of squished as well. And yeah, they just maintain the overall sort of shape of the foot pocket. Taking a closer look at the fin themselves. So yeah, this has had a cosmetic and I suppose features upgrade on the previous version of the Viper. Starting off with the heel, you have this very aggressive sort of angle up at the heel that just helps create a bit of sort of grip on the back of your heel. So you've got the pull tab to help you slip it on, and then that holds onto the back of your foot so that the fin stays in the right position. Nice smooth material, and around the actual foot pocket itself you notice it actually gets a little bit thinner, so it just makes it a bit more comfortable. It's not going to dig into the sort of that edge where it's actually making contact with your foot. And then the larger section continues and creates these rails that go down the side of the fin. These are transferring energy from your foot down towards the tip, so it's maintaining the shape, and it's helping to direct the water down towards the tip so it doesn't flow over the sides, so it's much more effective. Dual material on the blade. They've actually polished this so it's a bit smoother, so that's helping to reduce drag in the water over the previous version. And where you have the rigid material and softer material, it allows the actual shape of the blade to change during each part of the fin kick to create more of a scoop effect, to scoop water and push it down towards the tip to force you through the water, so it's much more effective. You have more of these rails just down the actual blade itself. These are helping to again channel water and reduce tracking, which is tracking is where the blade shimmies from side to side. These help to prevent that because you've got these rails on the top and the bottom, so it makes it much more streamlined so it doesn't shudder from side to side. On the underside, it just mirrors the top side very much. You can see a bit more of that angled blade when you see them on the underside, so allowing more of an angle just makes them more efficient in the water. If they're completely flat, then they're not as efficient in the water, so by allowing a little bit of an angle, yeah, it just improves efficiency in the water. You've got a little bit of grip on the underside, so if you do need to walk around, you get a bit of grip on the wet deck of a boat, but they're relatively flat. Your toes are up in the air, but if you do put pressure on it, it's not bending the blade too much, so you're going to damage it. And also when you're packing it away, just makes it a bit more easy when you're sort of trying to fit it into your bag. And that's the Oceanic Viper2 full foot fin, ideally designed for snorkelers. Incredibly lightweight, very lightweight, and nice and flat as well, so they do pack away quite easily. And yeah, sort of bright colors as well, so you're going to stand out in the water. Very smooth and sleek material, so again reducing drag and improving efficiency. But these are a good all-rounder of a channel fin, so if you're just after a decent pair of snorkeling fins that are going to get the job done, yeah, I can't fault these at all. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. It's going to be a link down in the description below, so you can check them out and buy them from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.